Hey guys, Riley here with South Main Iron, located in Paris, Texas. Today I just wanted to go over the all-new introducing Hunter Edition Sector 550. First we'll start out up front. As you can see, this extremely well-built, completely welded new front bumper for these things. Still got your 3,500 pound winch, but added front rack. Keeping your 27-inch tires moving around. You got your full enclosure, camouflaged match. You do have zip up doors. As well as the windows whenever it starts heating up during the day. Doors are capable to roll back and lock, as well as the back window here on the inside. Coming around to the back, you have the all-new rear bumper, as well as a double gun rack. Quick release Velcro. Let's go inside. Come on in, guys. Right here on the front panel, you're gonna have all your accessory switches. Is your headlights on and off, high and low beams, 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive switch. It is all-time rear differential lock, but you have the capability to lock the front differential as needed. Hazard lights on and off, winch in and out. You do have turn signals as well as a horn. Accessory switch, 12 volt. You have USBs for charging. And the 550 Hunting Edition comes with the heater. That's your basic rundown for the Sector 550. We have several models in stock, going as low as a 250cc for your kids and all the way up to a 1,000 workhorse. Come check us out at southmainiron.com.
Now that you're gone, bring satisfaction for me.